silly social media questions, this is, I'd say, one of the better ones because this is a name we took this trade from. This might have even been a trade of the week through this like 702, whatever it was, and it gave us that pop. And now we're seeing the market come in. It's selling off. So on the way up, she's saying buy this one. So I like that aspect for sure. I don't know if it's 700. I don't know if it's ready for 700. Specifically, the day's range was 717 to 692. So that's 700. I know it's a nice, pretty number, but it's not super relevant. At this moment. But I mean, she's looking to buy the right names on the way up. So yeah, wait till this one comes in or shows it wants to make a pivot or something. I don't think it's ready tomorrow, but gravitating towards the right names.
Okay. Next, she's looking at this SNE. She wants to buy 75 versus 74.
She wants to buy 75.
Yeah.
Gotta
remember these social media questions. She hasn't gone through our lesson, so.
No, I get it. No. So I mean, it's just like. Fantasy land is what. So last one was really good. This one's just kind of like doesn't make sense to me. So it closed at 76. You want to buy 75 on the way down and just have a stop at 74. The probability of that trade working out is so low. It's pretty ridiculous. Not to be condescending at all, but it's just like very low to buy something on the way down and then have it not touch the dollar lower just because there's a support level there. It's just very low. That's why we always focus on support buys on the way up. So if it takes out that level and reverses to the upside, that's when you look to buy it. Then it's a good buy. But to buy it on the way down, you're not giving yourself any probability.
And even in this name, it's like you can see, from March until basically end of August, we've seen higher highs and higher lows where this is like one of the first times we're starting to see these lower highs and lower lows where like that trend is not, the uptrend is no longer intact in this name for now. It could, might be a little bit of a void.